Jamaican vocab versus American vocab with my best friend. Let's go. Pitney.
Like, pit me. The only...
Pitney.
Pit me. Alright. I wouldn't have known this, but the only reason why I've known this before, because I heard you say it to your Jamaican friends. I think it means child or kid.
Yeah. What do you call it in America?
Youngin. Like youngin.
Youngin.
So my granddaughter, like, come here, youngin. Youngin, yeah.
My youngin. Pear. That's
a green little fruit that's really juicy.
No, not the one you think about.
Bro, no, that's a freaking...
Not the one you think about.
Bro, pear.
Not the one you talk about, my you.
Look at this. Pear.
Not that one.
Bro, what?
Pear. Avocado. There you go.
You should have said that.
Avocado.
You should have said that.
You're a fish.
You're a fish. That makes no sense because there's no way human could be a fish. But I'm guessing you're weak. You're a fish. No. Okay, let's say yes or no. Am I a fish? Oh, hell no. Oh, sus? Like...
Yeah.
Nah, ain't no way you call me a fish, bro. Nah, ain't no way you call me a fish.
Yeah, I deal with everything go on.
From the way of your tones, the inflections of your voice, I'm guessing you're saying like, hey baby, is everything alright?
Why?
Wait.
Volcano! Come on, time video done. No more.
Genuine question though. Why do y'all shorten every word? A whole long sentence could be 3 words in patois.
What time would I do the one bag of loose chatting?
Exactly.
Simple things in our life, is it?